For the fourth time in 3 years, a group of mechanical engineering students at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University have put their book knowledge to a practical and very humanitarian use to help children living in an orphanage in Haiti. Here's Joanne Magley with this week's Volusia Here and Now reports.
While many college students took a break from the books this summer, some mechanical engineering students at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University kept their brains busy building another water purification system for an orphanage in Haiti. The students meet on their own time to design and build the systems. Young Juan has been the project leader from the beginning.
This is our fourth installment of Project Haiti. This year we're going to the Ryan Epps Home for Children. They have roughly 200 children there, going to school and living there.
Previously, the students designed and built 2 other solar power water filtration systems, as well as portable backpack systems that were designed specifically for disaster relief. By building then installing the purification systems, the students are providing the orphanage a means for clean water for years to come. Graduate student Chevin Pinto explains how the system works.
We first pump the water up from a 150 feet deep well, and the water passes through the first stage of filtration, which is a disc filter that gets rid of large sediments out of the water. Then it goes to the membrane filter, the 0.1 micron membrane filter that removes all types of bacteria and most viruses. And then the third stage is a UV filter, and that filter deactivates the DNA of the remaining viruses, and the water that exits the purifier exceeds the standard set by the EPA and the NSF for clean drinking water.
And with each year's project, the team continues to enhance the systems.
Every year we've done this, we've gotten smarter. Our systems have gotten bigger, more efficient, and our project goals have become more developed through that time.
The project goals this year included using longer-lasting filters and making the system easy to operate so the Haitians in the area can operate it on a daily basis.
For the membrane filter, we've designed a backflush system where we use some of the purified water and we reverse the direction of flow through the filter, and we flush out all of the dirt. So it's a cleaning mechanism for the filter, and by doing so, we're able to extend the life of that filter by 4 to 7 years. So the maintenance cost of the system is fairly low.
Maintenance includes replacing the UV filter about once a year, and the Embry-Riddle students also came up with a business plan for that. This year's system is able to filter a lot more water, which the orphanage will sell to other members of the community.
In 2011, when we did our first story, that system operated at 4 gallons per minute. We provided water for 600 people, and it filtered 1,200 gallons of water every day. This system will be purifying water at 10 gallons per minute and providing 8,000 gallons of water to the community every day. The water in Haiti right now, they get water from different wells in the area, and the water in those wells are full of bacteria and viruses, which are terrible for human consumption. It decreases the life cycle, life expectancy.
The orphanage will be able to sell 75 gallons of extra water each day. Graduate student Alan Graham was responsible for developing the business plan and says the orphanage will use the money it makes from the extra water, about 75 American dollars a day, to buy replacement UV filters.
What we're really trying to do is just help them sustain the community, help them be independent, so that they don't have to want for what we consider basic need, clean water. So at the end of the day, that's what it's all about.
For Volusia Here and Now, I'm Joanne Magley.
For more information about this project and other news from Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, you can log on to daytonabeach.erau.edu.